Welcome to learningayurveda.com. Today we are discussing the fourth chapter of Sutrasthana of Astanga Hridaya. The fourth chapter of Astanga Hridaya is called as Roga Anutpadaniya Adhyaya, that is Preventive Healthcare Tips. It explains the method of adjusting the body to the natural signs so as to avoid toxic material accumulation and onset of disease process. Adharaniya Vegas, natural urges that should not be suppressed. One should not suppress these natural urges. They are flatus, feces, urine, sneeze, thirst, hunger, sleep, cough, breathing on exertion, yawning, tears, weeping, vomiting, and summon. All these natural urges should not be suppressed by force. Adverse effect of suppressing flatus. By suppression of urge of flatus, on a continuous basis, one becomes prone to abdominal bloating, gaseous distension of abdomen, abdominal pain, tiredness, exhaustion without doing anything, blockage of flatus, constipation and difficulty in urination, loss of vision and loss of digestive power. This also leads to diseases related to upper part of stomach and heart. This is because the vata gets obstructed in intestines by avoiding farting. At intestines and rectum, natural movement of vata is downward, but because of suppression of flatus, vata moves in upward direction and causes all these problems. Most of the problems explained are due to vata imbalance only. Next, bad effects of suppressing urge to defecate. Twisting pain of calf muscles, running nose, headache, upward movement of vata, anal itching sensation, stiffening feeling of chest region, foul breath and feces vomiting. Diseases caused due to suppression of urination. Body pain, urinary calculi, pain in penis and bladder region. Diseases that are mentioned in flatus and feces may also occur in this condition as well. Treatment for suppression of feces. Varti or rectal suppositories, oil massage, avagaha, that is tub bath or sitz bath, svedana, sweating therapy, sudation, panchakarma, rectal enema. All food that help to induce purgation should be administered. Treatment of diseases due to suppression of urination urge. Drinking of ghee before lunch is ideal. Drinking ghee in the maximum dose at the end of digestion of meal of both the midday and the night is also advised. Such a process of drinking high doses of ghee after digestion of previous food is called as avapidaka sneha. Next, suppression of belching. It leads to anorexia, tremors, constipation, stiffening sensation in chest region, bloating, cough, cold and hiccup. The treatment of this is similar to treatment of suppression of hiccups. Suppression of sneezing may cause headache, weakness of sense organs, neck stiffness, facial palsy. Treatment for this is Tikshna Dhuma, powerful herbal smoking, Anjana or collyrium is applied to eyes, Navana, snuffing, Arka Vilokana, seeing sun directly for a few seconds, massage, oleation and sudation therapies are also mentioned as treatment for this condition. Next, diseases caused due to suppression of thirst. Emaciation, debility, deafness, loss of consciousness, delusion and cardiac disorders. All procedures that are cooling in nature like cold water drinking, cold water bath etc. is recommended in this condition. Next, diseases caused due to suppression of hunger. Body ache, anorexia, debility, emaciation, abdominal colic pain and delusion. Treatment involves light meals with oily substances such as ghee, which is hot in nature. Fasting causes decrease in digestion power and increase in vata. If you take a large meal after fasting for long, then it will further decrease digestion power. Hence, a very light meal with ghee is advised. Oily substance such as ghee soothes gastric mucosa, and hot food helps to maintain agni or digestion power. Next, diseases caused due to suppression of sleep. Delusion, heaviness of head and eyes, laziness, lethargy, lassitude, yawning, body ache, myalgia, etc. Treatment for this is sleep and gentle massage to the head. Diseases caused due to suppression of cough. By suppressing cough, it further increases. It may also lead to asthma, wheezing, anorexia, cardiac disorders, emaciation and hiccup. Treatment involves regular treatment that is usually given to cough is also given in this condition. Next, suppression of breathing on exertion. This leads to bloating, gaseous distension of abdomen, cardiac disorders, loss of consciousness and delusion. Treatment involves rest and all the vata balancing treatments. Next, diseases caused due to suppression of yawning. It leads to similar symptoms to that of suppression of sneezing. Here, vata balancing activities should be taken up. Next, suppression of tears. It leads to running nose, eye disorders, heart diseases associated with pain, neck stiffness, anorexia, delusion, and bloating. Treatment involves sleep, alcohol, and sweet talk with friends and family. Suppression of vomiting leads to herpes or such spreading skin disease, allergic skin rashes, skin diseases, eye disorders, itching sensation, anemia, fever, cough, asthma, nausea, pigmented patches on the face, edema and inflammation. Treatment involves Agantuja, gargling, dhumapana, that is herbal smoke, ruksha ahara vamana, eating dry food and inducing vomiting, vyayama, that is exercise, ashrasruti, bloodletting, virechana, purgation type of panchakarma treatment. Suppression of vomiting causes pitta imbalance, hence most of the symptoms that are observed before are due to pitta imbalance, and treatment is also directed towards pitta balancing only. Next, suppression of ejaculation leads to oozing of semen, pain in groin, edema, inflammation, fever, cardiac pain, obstruction to the flow of urine, body ache, hernia, stone formation, also called as spermolith, and impotency. Treatment involves chicken, beer, alcohol, rice, massage to the lower abdomen, immersion bath with oil or sitz bath, cleansing of urinary bladder with enema, treatment with milk processed with herb intercourse. Whom should not be given treatment? Who have intense pain and thirst, those who are habituated to suppression of urges, because the vata and other doshas will frequently get vitiated due to undesired activity and treatment will not be successful. Kshina, who have got severely emaciated, and those who vomit feces in such conditions, treatment may not be successful. A root cause for all diseases. All diseases are caused due to vegodhirana, initiation of urges forcefully, and vegadharana, that is suppression of naturally initiated urges. For those common diseases arising from these acts, specific treatments have been counted so far. It is vata that is mainly vitiated. Hence, the symptoms arising from suppression of natural urges could be treated with food and treatment which clear the passages of vata and help in restoring vata's natural movement direction. Dharaniya vegas, urges that should be suppressed. The urges that should be forcefully suppressed are lobha, greed, envy, hatedness, jealous, unlawful excessive attraction or lust. Next, significance of panchakarma. One must exercise precaution to clear out doshas and waste products at suitable times. Accumulation of such toxins could lead to their aggravation and subsequently even death may occur due to this. Next, effectiveness of shodhana. The doshas that are balanced out by fasting, digestion therapies and palliative measures may sometimes get re-aggravated soon. However, doshas that have been eliminated out with shodhana or panchakarma therapy will never get re-aggravated. After proper panchakarma procedure at suitable times, rejuvenation treatment or rasayana therapy should be taken up with suitable tonics and aphrodisiacs. Treatment for those who undergo panchakarma treatment and who feel tired. For such patients, nourishing eatables such as rice that matures in 6 days, wheat, green gram, meat, ghee, cardiac tonics, digestives, carminatives, oil massage, powder massage, herbal bath, enema treatment and snehabasti, that is oil or ghee enema should be given. All these help to restore health of the debilitated. By these measures, one could gain health, happiness, good intelligence, clarity of vision, strong sense organs, intelligence, sexual vigor, and longevity. Next, traumatic diseases are those caused by external factors. These diseases are produced by Bhuta, that is evil spirit, bacteria, parasites and microbes. Visha, poison. Air, hurricane, cyclone, etc. Agni, fire, electricity, electric shocks, radiations, etc. Kshata, injury or wounds. Bhanga, fracture of bones, etc. Raga, desire or lust. Dvesha, hatredness, fear, etc. All these are known as Agantuja diseases arising from external causes. General treatment guideline for all the diseases. Avoidance of improper activities of body, mind and speech by willful transgression of rules. Control of the senses. Remembering previous experiences and acting rightly. Good knowledge of the habitat, season and the self. Adherence to rules of good conduct and rituals. Peaceful procedures as mentioned in Atharva Veda, worship of celestial powers, Graha Shanti, that is astronomical palliative procedures, staying away from Bhuta or evil spirits and microbes, respective treatment followed as per principles explained above, are the general guidelines to treat all types of diseases. Next, time for panchakarma treatment. Accumulated doshas arising from winter should be expelled during spring. The doshas arising from summer should be eliminated during rainy season, and those which are aggravated in rainy season should be eliminated in autumn. By this, people will not become victims of diseases born by the effect of the seasons. Next, secret of good health. He who indulges daily in healthy foods and activities, who discriminates the good and bad of everything and then acts wisely, who is not attached too much to the object of the senses, who develops the habit of charity, of considering all as equal, of truthfulness, of pardoning and keeping company of good persons only, becomes free from all diseases. Thus ends the chapter called Roganutpadaniya Adhyaya, the fourth of Sutrasthana of Astanga Hridaya, written by Srimad Vagbhata, who is the son of Sri Vaidyapati Simhagupta. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please like and share among your friends and family. For more, please visit learningayurveda.com.